Let's go across to another breaking news coming in of TMC MLA Sonali Guha, who's now hinting at joining the BJP. Sonali Guha, once a close aide of Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee and also a four-time MLA of the party, on Saturday hinted at joining the BJP, and she has, after she was denied a ticket for the coming assembly polls in West Bengal. Remember, it was yesterday when Mamata Banerjee had come out with her own list of candidates for all the 291 seats. Let's listen into what the MLA had to say.
कल सुब्रत बख्शी ने हमको सुबह बुलाया था, परसों रात को फ़ोन करके। तो हम कल सुबह ही पहुंचा उनके ऑफिस में, तो वो हमको देख के ही एकदम रो पड़ा। बोला शायद तुम्हारा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है। हम बोला आपको पहले मालूम था तो आप मेरे को बोला कि नहीं। तब वो बहुत जगन्नाथ भक्त है, बोला भगवान जगन्नाथ के नाम करके हम बोल रहे हैं कि अगर आपका नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है तो हम ममता दी से तुमको एक फ़ोन कराएगा। हम सारा रात मोबाइल ऑन रखा, कोई फ़ोन नहीं आया। तो बाद सुबेरे कल सारा रात कैसे गए आपको मालूम ही है। आज सुबेरे मैंने डिसीजन ले लिया कि जब उनसे हमको छोड़ दिया तो हम क्यों नहीं उसको छोड़ेंगे।
बीजेपी की तरफ से किसने आपको अप्रोच किया?
नहीं, हम नहीं बीजेपी को फ़ोन किया, मुकुल राय को हम फ़ोन किया। मुकुल राय बोला तुम क्या चाहते हो? तो मैं बोला हम किसी जगह पे कंटेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, हमको कोई सम्मान की दिया जाएगा, सम्मानजनक पोस्ट दिया जाएगा तो हम बीजेपी की तरफ से प्रचार करेंगे।
Let's go across to my colleague Piyush joining us over the phone line. Piyush, TMC MLA Sonali Guha now hinting at joining the BJP. This after she was denied a ticket. She was sounding extremely emotional in that reaction as well.
She has also confirmed that she also spoke to Mukul Roy. Remember, Mukul Roy is one of the top leaders of BJP. She's also adding to the fact that she has spoken to Mukul Roy, and she's also said that if she's given a respected post in party in BJP, then she's also ready to do the campaigning of our Bharatiya Janata Party. So that's a big word coming in from a TMC MLA. Remember that she's a veteran politician who was with TMC for a long period of time. In fact, she's still there, but she has not resigned. But she is unhappy with the fact that she has not been given ticket by Mamata Banerjee. We know that how Mamata Banerjee has decided to not give tickets to many sitting MLA, but when this news of many leaders of TMC, many sitting MLAs of TMC not giving ticket came out, Mamata Banerjee had also issued a statement that the leaders who have not been given ticket will be accommodated after the government, after TMC forms its government in West Bengal. But there are many leaders, many sitting MLAs who are not happy with this, including Sonali. Now she's coming out and saying that if a respected post is given to her in BJP, she will be, campaigning for Bharatiya Janata Party. We'll have to wait and watch as to how BJP is now going to move ahead. We will have to see if BJP asks her to join the party. There are many disgruntled, leaders in TMC who want to join BJP. As far as Sonali is concerned, she is also saying that she would be campaigning for BJP if she is given an unrespected post. We'll have to see as to how BJP moves ahead, or if Sonali in future will join Bharatiya Janata Party.
Absolutely, Piyush, and not the first MLA who has come out and expressed their displeasure over not being given a ticket. Because remember, even yesterday, we saw as to how several of the MLAs, some of them also came out in protest, breaking their office spaces after the list was announced. And now we are seeing a four-time sitting MLA, Sonali Guha, stating and announcing that, hinting at joining the BJP, stating that she has spoken to Mukul Roy about the same, and she was once a close aide of Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee.